page properties in your form, you can just click on the header and then the page properties will open up. Or you can directly click on the page properties section as well. And you can change the header background color from here. So you can select any of those, and then here you can change the color, and then the background color is going to change. You can change the color of the title here as well. It's white right now, but you can make it any other color. So let's make it this. It's not looking good, but just showing you how to change those things. And then the font size, you can change it for the title as well. The font type, you can change it here as well. And then the form column count, it's by default, it's 2 columns. So you can change it to 3, for example. You can change it to 4 or 6. Again, there are many options there. And also there is an activation date. When you create the form, it's the creation time. You can change this. If it's a registration form, for example, make the activation date at a later date. And you can add an expiration date as well if you want. Those two are optional. But this is how you can change the page properties in a BreezyBit Form Builder form.